Welcome to our video on how listening to music can improve your productivity. Have you ever wondered why some people listen to music while they work? It's because music has a powerful impact on our mood, focus, and productivity. In this video, we'll be exploring the different ways that music can help you work smarter and more efficiently. We'll be discussing the science behind how music affects our brain, the different types of music that are most beneficial for productivity, and how you can use music as a tool to enhance your workday. So if you're looking for ways to boost your productivity and get more done in less time, then keep watching to learn how listening to music can help. Music can help you get in the zone. Listening to music can help you get into a flow state, where you're completely focused on your work. This is because music can help you block out distractions and create a positive working environment. Music can elevate your mood. Have you ever noticed that when you're in a good mood, you tend to be more productive? Music has the power to lift our mood and make us feel more positive, which can translate into better productivity. Music can reduce stress and anxiety. When you're stressed or anxious, it can be difficult to focus on your work. Music has a calming effect on our minds and can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which in turn can boost productivity. Music can boost creativity. Certain types of music, such as classical or instrumental music, can stimulate the creative part of our brains. This can help us come up with new ideas and solutions to problems we may be facing. Music can make repetitive tasks more enjoyable. Let's face it, some tasks can be repetitive and boring. However, listening to music can make these tasks more enjoyable and can help you stay motivated to complete them. Music can improve memory retention. Research has shown that music can improve memory retention by stimulating different parts of the brain. This can be particularly helpful when you need to remember important information for a task or project. Music can help you maintain a consistent pace. If you are working on a task that requires a consistent pace, such as exercise or writing, music can help you maintain that pace. This is because music has a rhythmic quality that can help you stay on track. Music can provide a sense of comfort. Sometimes, work can be stressful or overwhelming. Listening to music can provide a sense of comfort and familiarity, which can help you feel more relaxed and focused. Music can increase motivation. Certain types of music, such as upbeat or motivational music, can increase your motivation and energy levels. This can be particularly helpful when you're feeling tired or unmotivated to work. Music can help you tune out background noise. If you work in a noisy environment, such as an open office or coffee shop, music can help you tune out background noise and stay focused on your work. Music can be a source of inspiration. If you are feeling stuck or uninspired, listening to music can be a great way to spark your creativity and get your creative juices flowing. Music can help you tap into your emotions and express your ideas more freely. Music can help you manage time better. If you are working on a task that has a deadline, music can be a helpful tool for managing your time. You can use music as a timer, where you work on a task for the duration of a particular song or playlist. This can help you stay focused and motivated to complete the task within the given time. Music can help you relax and unwind. Sometimes, taking a break from work and listening to music can be a great way to relax and recharge. This can help you come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. Music can enhance communication and collaboration. If you are working in a team, listening to music can help create a more positive and collaborative environment. You can use music to break the ice, enhance communication, and create a more comfortable working space. Music can improve overall well-being. Listening to music has been shown to have many positive effects on our overall well-being, including reducing stress, improving mood, and enhancing cognitive function. This can translate into better productivity and performance at work. That's it for our video on how listening to music can improve your productivity. We hope that you've learned something new about the benefits of music and how it can help you work smarter and more efficiently. Remember, the key to using music to improve productivity is to find the right type of music that works for you and your specific work environment. So be sure to experiment with different types of music and playlists to see what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.